magawa kachiel kod johala mag kuong ogolo ywak ne piny owacho mondo oduok piny osuru ma ochuogi ewi kong'o e pacho ka. Giwacho ni medo osuru nego ohandgi kendo gikwer ni osuru ok e yo makende mar kedo kod midhiero mar kuong e pacho ka. Riwruogno kwayo piny owacho mondo mi owek kumo johala ma uso kong'o kendo mondo sirikal oket maino e timo apedha ne jolos andiwo ma chik ok opuodho. Bende gidwaro ni mondo mi tudruok obed makare kindgi kod piny owacho e yore mag bero ohandgi. Giwacho ni jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua onego winje ywak mar johala ka bende gisingo mar luwo chike ma otenore kod uso mag kong'o kaka oket kod piny owacho.
Both at the family and societal levels alike. While the recent move by the government to contain alcohol abuse is welcome, there are some aspects of its implementation that we consider are not aligned with our expectations. It is our considered view that the problem of illicit and counterfeit alcoholic drinks has largely been caused by the availability of cheap alcohol manufactured by dealers of fake products. This was further compounded by the laxity of our security officers to heighten surveillance and enforcement mechanism during the electioneering and transition period, especially during the 2022 general election. The results was that unscrupulous entrepreneurs took advantage of these lapses to conduct illegal business. We note with great concern that part of the government's plan against the sale of illicit alcohol is the reduction of licensed bars as well as regulation of operating hours across various towns.
I would like to give the government free advice. We have been in this business for many years. Even 2015, tulimwaga pombe. Tulimwaga pombe siku tatu, your story ikaisha. Let involve the stakeholders. I can tell you, ile kitu inakunywa Mount Kenya, one bottle of it is costing 90 shillings. But the manufacturing of that bottle is 67